Hello and welcome back to Get Crafty Tutorials. Today we will be doing some golden iron-on velvet pouches. So for the tools and materials, you will be needing the following. These are the pouches that I am going to create during this tutorial. This is just an example. So the velvet pouches, as you can see, it's a velvet tissue. Then we also are going to use this iron-on. It's the smart iron-on, but I do have some pieces left over. So we are going to cut on the matte side. I also have this Cricut Smart iron-on vinyl holder that I usually use, but as I'm going to use the small pieces, I am going to leave it behind. Then for the weeding tools, you can always opt for the one that is most handy or most easiest for you to use, but I have both of them just right here, and a scissor to cut up the small pieces in size for the velvet pouches. So let's go to Cricut Design Space for the design. I already have this template set up, so I just added some text for on the pouches. I'm going to click create. If you did not do that already, just use a new canvas and add some text to your canvas in the desired font. Now in this space we are going to set up our mat. I have a small piece of golden iron-on, as I said, that I'm going to use, so this is the size. Do not forget to mirror them because we are doing an iron-on, so we always have to mirror our projects. When you click on continue, we will connect our maker. I am using the Maker 3. Once connected with Bluetooth, you will see the basic materials available. So as I said, I am using my Smart Iron-On, so I'm just going to click on Smart Iron-On. Even though it's on the mat, you just go ahead and choose the right setting. I'll leave it on default. On your Cricut Maker, you will make sure that you load in your mat and also click on play just to start cutting. So I'm going to fast forward to that part, and then we will see each other for step 2, which is our weeding of the material. For the weeding, I've already cut up the piece into a smaller piece and I left it on my mat. The reason for that is because sometimes when you are weeding delicate fonts as this one, it can help that it sticks on a mat and it makes weeding much easier. So I'm just going to fast forward to the result. Otherwise it will become a very long tutorial. Do take your time when you are weeding, because it is a shame when you have to redo some projects or you mess it up just by one single letter that is not correct. So this is the final result of my weeding. To take it off the mat when it's really sticky, you can also use your weeding tool and it helps you to just peel it off. I will fast forward and weed the rest, but this is what is going on top of your pouch. This way we can put the heat press on it. So let's just go straight to step 3, which is our heating press. I already taped it and placed it on my heating press. As you can see, I'm using it really the border, only the velvet side. I'm going to put this protection sheet on it as well and close it up very gently. I'm just using the normal settings for iron-on. I will link everything in bio and leave it up. So I fast forwarded, of course, and I'm going to peel off the side. The protection just maintained the velvet color, so that's really nice to see. And I'm going to peel it off. I'm just going to change hands while filming, and as you can see, the results are already visible and it's really amazing. Let's just go to step 4, which are our final results. So these are the pouches. I've already made all of them. This is for an event. Holidays are coming up, so can easily be created on a bigger velvet pouch for Christmas. So what do you think of the tutorial? It's really easy. Everything is linked in bio, and thank you for watching Get Crafty Tutorials again. If you like the channel, do subscribe, do like the video, and comment in the section below. What did you think of the tutorial, and will you be making it yourself? See you in the next one.